What is Hamburg steak? Hamburg steak, also known as hamburger steak or hamburger, is a meat dish originating from Germany. It is primarily made by mixing minced meat with finely chopped vegetables, adding breadcrumbs and salt to enhance stickiness, and then heating and solidifying it in a frying pan, or sometimes using a combination of an oven and a frying pan. Meatloaf and hamburger steak are both meat dishes made with ground meat, but they have some differences in terms of cooking method and shape. Meatloaf is baked in the oven and has a rectangular or oval shape, providing a moist texture. On the other hand, hamburgers are cooked in a frying pan and have a circular or oval shape, resulting in a crispy exterior and juicy interior. Benefits of Hamburg steak. Hamburg steak is a rich source of protein and offers several benefits and advantages for weight loss and health-conscious individuals, as well as for children and the elderly who may have difficulty chewing meat. Muscle formation and repair. Hamburg steak contains high-quality protein, providing essential amino acids necessary for muscle formation and repair. Sufficient protein intake is crucial for individuals engaging in weight loss programs or strength training to promote muscle development and recovery. However, to maximize the benefits of Hamburg steak, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Avoid excessive intake of fats and additives, even though incorporating ingredients like cheese or butter can enhance flavor. Additionally, combining Hamburg steak with a variety of vegetables and healthy side dishes helps maintain a balanced nutrient intake. Chop the onion finely. You can chop the onion into any size you prefer, but if it's too coarse, you'll feel a stronger texture of the onion. Also, when cooking hamburgers, they may break apart. Some people prefer to grate the onion and use it. Heat vegetable oil in a frying pan and sauté the finely chopped onion until it becomes soft and changes color. Once sautéed, turn off the heat. Let the sautéed onion cool for a while to remove the residual heat. By sautéing the onion, you bring out its sweetness and remove excess moisture. Adjust the cooking time according to your preference. After sautéing, it's important to let the onion cool for a while before mixing it with the meat, as adding hot onion directly to the meat can make it difficult to bind and cause the fat in the meat to melt, resulting in the loss of flavor. So, let it cool for a bit. Please prepare the ground meat and salt. The salt should be 0.8% of the amount of ground meat. Put the ground meat and salt into the bowl, please. Since the ground meat is 1 kilogram for this recipe, you will need 8 grams of salt. Knead the mixture thoroughly by hand until it becomes sticky. It's ready when it forms threads between your fingers or when a slightly whitish fat sticks to the bowl. Keeping your hands chilled in ice water will yield the best results. Mix together the chilled sautéed onions, breadcrumbs soaked in milk, pepper, and nutmeg, and thoroughly combine them. Please mix well. Take a portion in your hand and shape it into an oval shape according to your preference. Once you have lightly shaped each patty, toss them back and forth between your right hand and left hand, like playing catch, about 3 times to remove air pockets. Removing the air pockets helps prevent the patties from cracking or forming gaps when cooked, keeping their shape intact. As the patty cooks, the center will gradually puff up, so before cooking, lightly press down the center with your finger. Begin cooking the hamburger patty in a frying pan. Cook them over high heat for about 1 minute. Then reduce the heat to low and cook for about 3 minutes. Flip them over. Cook for another 1 minute over high heat. Cover the pan, and cook for about 3 minutes over medium heat. First, sear the surface of the patties to lock in the flavors. Then, by steaming them, you ensure that they are cooked tenderly throughout. A general guideline for doneness is to insert a skewer into the hamburger patty, and if clear juices come out, it is done. Then, transfer them to a plate. I personally like to eat it with just salt, so it's finished for me. However, it is commonly served with gravy sauce or demi-glace sauce. Let's make a gravy sauce using the drippings from cooking this time. Add the sauce ingredients to the remaining juices in the frying pan and lightly simmer while stirring to reduce the sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Simmer lightly while stirring to combine and reduce the sauce. Pour the finished gravy sauce over the dish, and it is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.